Alright, so check it out. Got this mess here. What I did is I made a switch for the Fiat 500 for 15 bucks. When you buy this switch new, it's not for the car. The resistance is 4.6. It needs to be around 1.5K or up to like 2K. So we took some resistors, did the math, found the ones we need, soldered it in, used some ASA paste that I made from leftover scraps from printing, and it acts like a glue, fills everything in, and then you're good to go. 15 bucks, new switch instead of from the dealer 200. And just like that, we're back in business.